In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Jira. Keeping your Jira account secure is really important, especially if you're working on multiple projects or handling sensitive information. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of updating your password, and I'll also share a few practical tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening on screen and why. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account in your web browser. Once you're on any Jira page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a small avatar image, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu with various account-related options. From this menu, you'll want to go into your main Atlassian account area, so click on the option labeled Account Settings. This will open a new page or tab where you manage your overall Atlassian profile, not just Jira. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once the account settings page is open, look for the menu or tabs on the left-hand side or across the top, depending on the current layout. Find and click on the section called Security. This is where Atlassian groups all of your sign-in and protection options, including your password, login history, and any extra security measures like two-step verification. On the security page, locate the area that lets you change your password. It's usually clearly labeled with something like Change Password. Click that option and you'll see fields where you can enter your current password and then your new password. Type your current password carefully and then choose a new password that's strong and unique. A good approach is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything easy to guess, like simple words, names, or dates. Type your new password again in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. When you're confident that everything is correct, look for the button at the bottom of this section that says Save Changes. Click on Save Changes to apply your new password. You may see a confirmation message letting you know the update was successful. From now on, you'll use this new password to log into Jira and other Atlassian products linked to this account.